7252 or visit RockyMountainMen'sClinic.com.
Hey, it's Jim Arthur, Air Force play-by-play announcer. KVOR, along with Colorado Springs School District 11, will honor an outstanding D11 student during Air Force home football games. D11 will select a student to join me in the booth during halftime as part of our Kidcaster program. This week's Kidcaster is Andres Mendez, an 8th grade student at Swigert Aerospace Academy. School District 11 has more...
Charges for service. If someone says they're with the Red Cross and they try to charge you for services, they're not with the Red Cross. If someone says they're with Samaritan's Purse and they're trying to charge you for services, they're not.
Well, the team, our freshman class got in around 2 weeks ago, so they have a freshman trip they have to do.
Says they're concerned about being fired over a private tweet. I think that concern is appropriate. Let's go to your calls to Gladys in Columbus, Ohio. You're on the Michael Medved Show.
Hello. You got punched, I mean you got snuffed. To clean this to buffer, bull scare is a strong stuff. I know you like the way I'm freaking it. I talk with slang and I'ma never stop.
Visit trysoclean.com.